Hey everyone, Ryan Jones with the Coldwell Banker First Ottawa, and I have the pleasure today of presenting 784 Nakina Way to you in the ever-popular Riverside South neighborhood. This lovely townhome is situated perfectly for your lifestyle. Nice and close to schools, shopping, restaurants, and there's a brand new splash pad at the park up the street. Not only does the neighborhood have everything you need, this is a Richcraft Caledonia model. And what does that mean for you? Well, 3 beds, 3 baths, it's going to check off all your boxes. Let's go take a look. A welcoming entrance with big closet, inside access to the garage, and a powder room? Check. Open concept layout, freshly painted. Beautiful staircase, 9-foot ceilings? Check. A super bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, pot lights, and a breakfast area for the day-to-day meals? Check. A large master with Berber carpet, walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite, including soaker tub? Check, 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 check. Second floor laundry, a tastefully decorated main bath, and 2 other good-sized bedrooms? Check. Big finished basement, perfect for hanging out. Cozy fireplace to fight those winter blues. Big window, and hungry hippos? Check. Well, I don't know about you, but my checklist is fully marked off. Oh, there's also a fully fenced backyard, a big deck for entertaining in the summer. It's under the snow, I promise. And a natural gas hookup for the barbecue. More checks. So, if you want any more information, 784nakina.com or ryanjones.ca. And as always, when you think real estate, think Ryan.